Well, while we're playing with the steering, I have the steering wheel, just set in place, and I was turning it, kind of playing around, and found that there's quite a bit of play in it before it actually turns the wheels, more than it should. And on the later models, there's an adjustment screw here, but on these, the early ones, there is not. So I remembered that I'd stuck I stuck a gasket on this. I thought, okay, well, I could take the gasket off, and that would take up some space, and this little bump right here would fit closer to where it's supposed to go, tighten that gap so there'd be less play. So I took it off, and those shims you just saw me stick on there, I found that those were in there. There's quite a stack of them. I've had this off a couple times now. I'm trying to find exactly that right balance. I'd taken too many off and it was too tight. So now I've added 2 back on. We're going to tighten it down and see where we are. So that's the adjustment for these. I didn't realize that. I hadn't even realized that these were on there, these shims, because they looked, they were in place, they were all stacked up tight, and they looked just like they were part of the top. But now we know that that's the adjustment. There, that feels tight, but not too tight. I think we're going to go with that. Put all the bolts in place. And oh my god, this is so much easier than if I had the whole hood and bonnet on.